Talofa friends and family, I'm Mikaele of the Fireknife Club Mauga. Thank you very much for joining us again for another video of training with Mika. Alright, so for the next motion I'm going to show you guys. It's a very important motion. You usually see this at the beginning of routines or through transitions from move to move. The motion is called kaka. Very, very easy. Kaka. It's a motion just like this. Looks just like this, alright? Very, very easy. Now to do this motion, first thing you want to do, again, this is my right hand. The blade is facing the left. This time you're going to hold it underneath, just like this. Alright, so follow me. You want to hold it right underneath, blade on this side, on the bottom. Now you want to go downwards, alright? The blade is moving down. So it's going to move down all the way till it reaches the top, alright? So this is all I want you to practice for now. Real easy. Now right when it reaches the top, all you want to do is let it go and roll right over your hand, alright? So it's going to go, roll right over the hand, and you're going to catch it, alright? So start on the outside, all the way up, roll over the hand, alright? So really, really easy. Roll over your hand. Now the second step, all you want to do, let it roll over the hand. When you grab it, now the blade's facing that way, catch it underneath, alright? Real easy. Now this time it's going to go downwards on your left hand. Alright, so same thing, all the way up, roll over your hand, and you want to stop. Alright, now when you're on your right, around, roll, stop. Around, roll, stop. So you just want to keep repeating this motion, alright? Real easy. Repeat. Left hand, right hand, stop. Left, stop. Right, stop. Left, stop. Right, stop. Left, roll, stop. Right, roll, stop. Alright, so you want to keep repeating that till you get it nice and smooth, alright? Alright family, so now to make that motion look a little bit more advanced, a little bit more smooth, fluent, there's a little trick, alright? So this is a little secret trick that you can do to it, alright? So a lot of times you see it go looking like this. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now to make it look more big, more fluid, smoother, what you want to do is once you catch it, so once you stop, you want to bring it all the way down. Alright? Stop, bring it all the way down. 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 So instead of it looking like this, it's going to look like this. Alright, you see the difference? Now, once you get the hang of it, you go faster, and you can go straight into your vili lima lua, or your vili lua, and then to your vili kasi. Alright, so real easy. That's your motion. Choo! Alright, so there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Also, you can follow us on any of our social media pages. They'll all be in the description below. So remember, repetition is the father of learning. Always put God first. Do it for your last name, not your first, and keep practicing. Tele lava, 4